Hey there, YouTubers. Gonna do another video. If you watch many of my videos, you know I like this stuff. Sriracha, the rooster. It's like my favorite. But I don't do this because it's hot. I don't really think it's very hot. I know some people do. But I used to do like super hot stuff. And I started realizing I was paying too much of a price afterwards, if you know what I mean. But I saw something and I wanted to give it a try, and I'm going to share it with you. Here we go. This is Bravado Spice Company. It's ghost pepper and blueberry. So we're going to give it a shake. And after I do this, I'm going to cook something with it. But first we're going to just check it out, see what it's like. Wrap her off. So this is my first ever taste test of it. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but it's not overly thick. You can smell the blueberries. You can smell a little bit of the ghost pepper. So what we're going to do, before we cook with it, we got to see if we're going to like it. So, got a spoon. Put a little bit on a spoon. Just to give it a taste. Alright, set that down so I don't break it. Man, that's hot. For me, the ghost pepper, I'm trying to mix it all around a little bit. For me, the ghost pepper hit first, and you can get that hint of blueberry through it. It's warm. I wouldn't call it crazy hot. They give it 4 out of 5 peppers. I wouldn't go that high. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say it's probably 4 or 5 on a hot scale. While this is probably 1, maybe 2. To me, this isn't hot. But with this, it's got the vinegar in there, so you get a little bit of that vinegar bite, which for me isn't my favorite thing with hot sauces. I know some people love Tabasco because it's got that strong vinegar. Not my favorite thing, but this is pretty good. So yeah, Bravado Spice Company, blueberry and ghost pepper. I think it's pretty good. Now we're going to cook with it. See what you think. Well, in a little bit. I'm not going to cook right now, in a few minutes. Okay, I decided I wanted to give it a second spoon. You can get this, I don't think at like every grocery store, but you can find it at like Kroger's. You'd probably have to go online to find out where you can get it. So, as you can see, I'm going to take a picture with the cell phone. You can see it's a pretty purple color. You can see the blueberries. There we go, purple. The ghost pepper smell comes through the most. I figured it deserved a second spoon of it. The ghost pepper comes through the most with a little hint of fruity. Alright, let's do. Try to mix it all around your mouth to see where it hits the most. Gets a little bit on the tip of the tongue, but mainly in the back end. And it's not, you know how some hot sauces hit you right away and some creep up on you? This is warm from the start. I like it. I think it's pretty good. And it's got, if you can see the bottle, I don't know how much you can see. It's liquidy. You don't have to worry about it coming out of the bottle. It's going to come out of the bottle. And now as you wait a little bit longer, it starts hitting the tongue more. The tongue starts feeling the heat more. But I'd still call it 4, maybe 5 on a hot scale. Scoville wise, I'll put it in there. I'm not sure top of my head. I'll look it up and see what it is. I'd guess probably, again, Sriracha's like a 1 for hot. Sriracha's just a nice garlicky taste to me. But yeah. So I think, like I said, I'm going to cook with it in a little bit. I think if you like hot stuff, you like a little bit of fruitiness, I kind of thought it would be more fruity on the front end than it is. You can taste the blueberry, but the ghost pepper overrides the blueberry a little bit. It's good. I like it. Bravado Spice Company, ghost pepper and blueberry. And now we're going to cook with it.
Another good thing is it's all natural.
All right, YouTubers. I got the Copper Chef pan. Heat up the pan. I got a pound of hamburger here. Nothing fancy. All right, we're gonna let that cook down and we'll come back. See? Hamburger. All right, now we got onion. Just gonna use some onion. So there's some diced up onions, put it out of the way. Smells good, but it needs garlic powder. How much? That much. Okay, we'll turn it up a little bit. And we'll let it cook. I don't know how well you can see, but this is kind of what I do. I use paper towel to soak up the grease. Because two reasons. It's winterized and I'm a slob, and I find this helps me not make a mess. And I don't really just want to cook it down until all the fat's gone. I know you get the flavor from it, but I don't need to be eating all that, because that's a lot. I think this is 80-20, so you got a little fat content. Okay, shook it up really well. I'm told that blueberry mixes well with beef. I'm not going to go crazy here. This is like, Sriracha is like 2,200 Scovilles. And this, I think they say it's like 28,000. It's warm, but it's not nuts. Oh, I can smell it. I'm gonna mix it all through. Okay, and we're about done. And what I'm gonna do, because I'm making tacos, that's what I'm making. A lot of people don't like to do this, but I like to put onions in there just for a second. Most people will do raw onions on a taco, and there's something for me just about sweating them for a second. So I'm gonna unplug that. Give them a minute to sweat. Get my plate. And I got soft tacos. I'll put one on there. So we got a soft taco and a hard taco. Onion. We got some Colby Jack. Colby Jack cheese in the taco. A little bit more of the ghost pepper sauce. There we go. There we go. Woo! I went heavy on that one. That's the hot sauce. Ooh, look, it's all down the bottle. Got that? Lick off your finger. Lick the bottle. I like it. Alright, hard taco. That's a good pairing. I think the blueberry ghost pepper goes well with the tacos. But it's really good. I wolfed down 2 hard tacos because I had to take a picture of another one. Now we'll do the soft taco. Yum. Oh, we should do a flyover. Flyover with the soft taco. The crunch is left from the hard taco. You see that ghost pepper blueberry sauce. Alright, let's try this. Woohoo! That's really good, YouTubers. I highly recommend that. If you like some heat, really good stuff. And that is my review of the hot sauce and a quick making some tacos. Have a great and wonderful day.
I got all excited and hungry and I forgot the lettuce, so I had to make another one. I made a few.
Okay, you got to get another one because I went to all that trouble. I had lettuce. So they're supposed to have lettuce on these. And a fair dose of blueberry ghost pepper. Yeah, lettuce puts it over the top. Gives you that nice fresh crunch. Doesn't that look good? Alright. Have some tacos, soft or hard. And have some of this Bravado ghost pepper blueberry sauce. It's good stuff. Now have a great and wonderful day.